every time a jet takes off. It's not just a machine flying. It's physics and engineering in perfect harmony. But what really makes a jet engine so powerful? The concept is simple. Take in air, compress it, mix it with fuel, ignite it, and blast it out the back. That's Newton's third law in action. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. A jet engine works by drawing air in through the front intake. As the aircraft moves forward, this air is then compressed by a series of rotating blades, which increases its pressure and temperature. The highly compressed air is mixed with fuel in the combustion chamber and ignited, creating extremely hot, expanding gases. These gases rush through turbine blades, causing them to spin and power the compressor and fan at the front of the engine. Finally, the hot gases are expelled at high speed through the exhaust nozzle, producing a strong forward thrust that propels the aircraft through the air. Most modern airplanes use turbofan engines. They're more efficient and quieter. The big fan at the front pushes a huge amount of air around the core engine. This bypass air provides most of the thrust while cooling and reducing noise. Did you know the temperature inside a jet engine can exceed 1,400 degrees Celsius? The turbine blades spin over 10,000 times per minute, and one modern jet engine can produce enough power to light up an entire city block